It's teeny tiny tangle time. So this is a new book. Let's do crescent moon. So all I'm going to do is take any shape I want to and create a pencil outline of that. And then I'm taking a pen and I'm going to put my little ladybugs in. Here I'm using a Micron 01. You can find those in the link in the description. Go to my Amazon affiliate and I have a list of Tangle supplies I use. I also have a separate tab for Grabby, which is another set of pens I really enjoy, and I have a coupon code attached to that for their fine liner pens. So we're just doing the ladybugs. You can do them as far apart or as close together as you would like. We're going to start with gratitude, breathe in the things we're grateful for, exhale all the things we don't need, and now we're going to aura these, which is just putting another, almost copying a line around that ladybug. And that's what we're doing. We're just gonna aura, aura, and aura. And there's many different ways to do this. There's no right or wrong. Do what makes you happy. You can have them connect. I did put a clip on here to hold this open a little bit easier. You can do them anyway. You could even put some waves in them, all sorts of things. But just remember when you're doing this, make sure that you're breathing. For me, it's about the journey to the end of the tangle, and the tangle is a bonus at the end. So are you holding your breath, biting the inside of the cheek, clenching the jaw? Are you noticing that your shoulders are all the way up to your ears? All of those things. And if you notice those, just stop doing them. Don't be hard on yourself and let it go. Don't judge your tangle. Let your tangle come out the way it's meant to be and enjoy it and be proud of it. And whenever I have a tangle that maybe I don't love, I put it in a drawer and I come back to it later, because there might be another day where I look at that half-done tangle and I can think of limitless opportunities of different things I can add to it that would make me happy. So I never throw them away. I just put them somewhere else. Make sure you also hold a tangle away from you to see how it looks. So let's add a little bit of shading. I'm just taking a regular pencil, putting it in the center. Some people may have special graphite pencils. Those will work as well. This is just a regular pencil. And I'm using what's called a tortillon, which is in my Amazon affiliate list. I also have them in my Tangle supply kits in my Etsy shop. And I'm going to put what's called my chop, which is a signature I create just for me. And here is our little crescent moon for teeny tiny tangle time. So don't forget to subscribe, and remember, it's okay to go outside the lines. See you next time.